All right, you can see how much have been made over this affiliates program. I've made, you can see available commission balance is about 8,000 plus, and then you can see my commissions you can see 1,000, 1,000, 6,300 plus, and then let me move to another. You can see this one 10,000 is pending there, 1,000 is pending there. You can see how much I've made so far on this affiliate program. You understand? You can see. So in this video today, I'm going to vividly explain how you can be able to make such amount of money on this affiliate program. So all I need from you guys to just to watch the video from the beginning to the end in order to grab this on start making money online in Nigeria here. I'm going to refresh this so that you guys can see it. It's loading. Okay, let me log in. Of login, you can see here how much have been made, and some of them are still pending. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for being alongside me right away from the beginning today, this moment. So you guys can see, and if you like my video, please thumbs me up. It's my link, affiliate link over here. I use this link in order to drive traffic on this particular website, and then get sign up, see clicks, and then conversion rate. You can see a lot of link down here. You can even embed this. If you have a blog, you can do it. You can embed it on your blog site. You can even advertise it anywhere on your Facebook page. Anywhere you can advertise it, and then start making money from your affiliate link. You can see. So let me just take you guys to the step on how you can be able to start making money on this affiliate program.